if a square minus b square is equal 24 and a plus b is equal 6, what is the value of a? We need to find. So we have given two equations, two unknowns, so we can do this, of course. Let me copy first equation. We have a square minus b square is equal 24. We have difference of two perfect squares. Let me remind you formula. When we have a square minus b square, this is equal a minus b times a plus b. So now we can substitute our left side by right side. Our formula so will be a minus b times a plus b. This is equal 24. And what else we have? We have given that a plus b is equal 6. Let me copy this. We have that a plus b is equal 6. So I will substitute a plus b by 6. So we have a minus b times 6. I just substitute a plus b by 6 is equal 24. Because we have multiplication on the left side, so now I will divide by 6 both sides. So 6 and 6 we will reduce, and we have only a minus b is equal 24 divided by 6 is 4. So we have a minus b is equal 4, and we have that a plus b is 6. So let me copy this equation. Well, now we have two unknowns, two equations, so we will use addition subtraction method. When we add both sides of our equation, we have a plus a, and we have negative b plus b, so b will reduce, is equal 4 plus 6. A plus a is 2a is equal 10. So we have that a is equal, we'll divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will reduce, 10 divided by 2 is 5. We found that a is 5. And we need to find value of a. So it doesn't matter value of b. You don't have to calculate. You need to find only value a. This is my solution.